1, 2, 3.
Right, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
I'm very happy today, or I'm on the planet because we have, newcomer. Those people want to learn English because nowadays English is very important. I myself, that's my word. From this day to the end of the day, only people, but also animals can speak English, including Mongols can speak English. So, before I'm gonna to share something, my experience, how I have been preparing for testing month next year, not next year, next month, or next week. We have prepared something like, material, like languages. Last year I focused for learning, Spanish, Esperanto, Dutch, French, Arabic, but it doesn't work. But I just increased my accent last year. Sometimes American accent or with accent, anything about that. Because, learning accent for me, that is very, very fun. Make me comfortable. Then I learn many languages. You know why I'm learning, accent? Because to this guy, now what we guess, my guess from United States or not Kingdom, from Europe, those people, different accents. So I'm going to try to stress learning accent, and only English accent, but also American accent. Sometimes I learn Spanish accent. For preparing for this month, for this fasting month, I have been both hardest for learning English or Spanish, Esperanto, Dutch for my hardest to survive. And then I'm gonna to go into not custom scholar or boarding school, and then I learn how to learn Arabic language. Because for me, learning Arabic language is very easy and done very, sunnah in hadith saying. If you love someone, man habbani faqad habba Allah. I interest to learn Arabic because I always read hadith. That's it. And then maybe this fasting month, I would like maybe to memorizing Holy Quran little by little, because even not only 30 juz or 30 chapter, maybe I'm going to memorizing that. That's only one juz, only just 30. That's it, because I love that. Even after I reciting Quran or I read that, myself looking by meaning, what is that meaning, that according of anything, and then I love that, learn that little by little. Finally, for this fasting month, not only I read anything about learning accent or many languages, I would like to try to speak, all the languages around the world. And then I want to try, learn accent, then learn Dutch, French, and then Esperanto and Spanish. That's it. For this fasting month, very awesome, I think, because I just met, Mr. Fahmi. I'm going to share something about how we get, get new vocabulary, and then new phrases, idioms, raining, accent, and and how to learn language around the world. Alright, let's speed it up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Any question? Please. Alright.